Hey guys! Okay, so welcome to Vlogmas day 3. I think it's day 3. It's gonna be a combination of different days stitched together. I'm doing a couple of things over a couple of days. So today we are picking up, I'm not really sure if it's ready for me to pick up, but we are gonna try to pick up the custom-made mechanical keyboard. For now, I'm freaking excited and I cannot wait to get my hands on the keyboard. Yep, which I will be doing an unboxing and sharing with you guys later this month or tomorrow or 2 days later. But yeah, we'll try our best. We're trying our best here to make Vlogmas work, and we are trying to keep the spirit high and lively. Mask up. Let's go. They were filming something in the store, so I couldn't talk, but I got to see all the beautiful keyboards and hung out with Brandon, the MVP, building my mechanical keyboard. So I guess this is a welcome to the building of my custom keyboard. I got to watch Brandon loop the switches, fix the switches onto the keyboard, and finally putting on the keycaps. And one thing that he was super particular about was this spacebar and how stable it is. He insists that I put this in the video, so this is how it sounds like. And if you like this keyboard, check out the links in the description. So we're home and this is my keyboard right here. And I am so excited to finally use them. We're gonna do an unboxing video shortly. Really great start of Vlogmas. All the presents, like Christmas coming early. But yeah, gotta edit some stuff and eat my lunch. Guys, you know what my lunch is? It's like 5 p.m. and I'm eating lunch. How awesome, right? How freaking awesome. Look at my lunch. Nuggets and fries, my favorite. Hello. So right now we're heading for my tattoo consultation. I'm a bit nervous. I'm kind of nervous, really nervous, because like I don't know what's going to happen and everything. Is my first tattoo and okay, like really festive vibes here. I feel like you guys always see me in the car. But yeah, I'm wearing green and my Apple Watch is red. Yeah, okay, I gotta go, otherwise I'll be late and she doesn't like people who are late. I'm really nervous. I'm really nervous. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're in the lift now and I'm right on the dot. I hope she still lets me in. I know she's really particular about like punctuality. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm so nervous seeing my tattoo artist for the first time. So we're on time. We're just waiting because she has a customer inside. So we're just waiting. Oh my gosh, look at the view. Wow. Wow, the view is awesome. Thank God I'm not late. Gosh, I look like a mess. A hot mess. Oh gosh, okay. So I just met with the tattoo artist and she is so cool, I swear. She has such cool vibes. It wasn't as intimidating as I thought it would be. So I'm gonna get the tattoo on my inner arm or outer arm. I haven't actually decided what or where I want it to be yet. I'm gonna sleep on it. Now I'm gonna get dinner. I'm hungry. Good morning, guys. It's 9 a.m. for me right now and something happened, guys. I wanted to start the day off happy because you know my friend is getting her like paper signed today for her wedding and I'm so excited and so happy for her, and I thought I would start the day off with that, showing you guys how touched I am, which I really am. But something else chose to happen last night. My Mac just wouldn't turn on again. I know like this is not new to you guys who's been on this channel for a while. My Mac breaks down so many times. Why? So my plans have changed. Today we're gonna head to the Apple store, which is I'm supposed to head there now, like after talking to you guys. I was thinking in order to like make this a happier day, I'm gonna like buy the M1 MacBook Pro while my 16-inch is being fixed, and that way I get to test out the new M1 MacBooks, and when my 16-inch is fixed, I'll return the M1 MacBook. I know ethics may be a concern. Say whatever you want, but that's what I'm doing. We're gonna go now. We're gonna pack up everything. I'm gonna pack up my SSD, we're gonna pack up my backup drive just in case. This comes from so much experience of fixing the Mac, which shouldn't be the case because you're supposed to be more reliable than that, you know? Gosh, okay, let's go. There's no one in front of me. I managed to walk in during the opening hour, so it's cool. They're trying to fix my Mac and revive it. If not, I'm gonna get the M1 Max. Situation right now. Finally got this to start up. Backing up a lot of files. Hello, my friends, my dear friends. So you guys know I went to the Apple store and I got myself the M1 Mac to use for the time being while my 16-inch is being fixed, just because I feel like I want to test this out firstly. And Apple has a return policy and they said it was okay and they felt really bad. I mean, gosh, it was so hard to get mad at Apple because of how awesome their customer service team is. The engineer that was speaking to me was so cool, so chill. He was like, it is ridiculous. It was unacceptable that you're bringing your Mac so many times to be repaired. This has to be a reliable product and I'm going to get this fixed for you once and for all. And I really hope that it happens. To have an Apple staff empathize with me, that just makes me feel good as a customer. So like, it's really hard to get angry with them. Plus side, we get this. Oh, okay, and we're gonna unbox this. Oh gosh, it's heavy, guys. Oh my gosh, this is Apple's very new M1 MacBook Pro. This is a 13-inch. I can't wait to test out editing and use this MacBook Pro because I heard so many good stories about this. And we're gonna unbox this now. I'm so excited. So scared to hurt it at all. Like, it's precious. It's my precious. Wow. I mean, it's not my first time unboxing Macs, but I don't unbox it really often, so it's really fun. Whew. And of course, oh my gosh, it smells so fresh. It's like, that was like the moment I unboxed it, there was like a whiff of like Mac freshness into my face, in your face, you know, like, okay, look at this baby. Of course, I got the space gray version. Oh my gosh, this is so light. I can totally understand why people would get this. Oh, we have two Apple stickers. Look at this. And we have this USB-C, the USB-C cable, which we don't really need because I already have them. Oh, and there's a receipt, and this is the charger, charging brick. Awesome, awesome. I heard like how this wouldn't heat up. I heard how fast this is. Okay, we're gonna open this. Oh, this is beautiful. I love that I have an excuse to get the M1 Mac to test out, but I hate that my 16 inches in repair. Oh my gosh, this is so light. I used to bring something like this to uni every single day. Okay guys, I'm so excited to open this. I feel like I want to be able to see it, but I also want a camera to capture like how it is. Like, I heard like the startup is super quick, so okay. It's so fast! Like, do you hear how fast it was? Like, the moment I opened it and it was done, like, speed. Can you see the glow? Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna start up English.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
Siri. It's so tiny, guys. It's so tiny. I can't believe this is what I'm getting because my 16-inch breakdown. I mean, like, I know some people would be like, you're giving Apple more money when Apple failed you. So like, what the hell are you thinking? But I love Apple. I use Final Cut. I need Apple. So this is it. And the M1 Max is supposed to be super reliable and super fast. So we'll see, okay? You know what, I'm gonna shut down and turn it on again because I want to see how fast this is. Come on. Okay, we're gonna close it. I'm gonna turn it on again. Okay. It's fast, it's so fast, it's so freaking fast. Even my 16-inch isn't as fast as this. I'm so excited. So excited to use this. I can't believe this is like my first time being excited because my 16-inch broke down. I think like maybe somehow the universe is like giving me a sign to make Vlogmas happen. It's time to set this baby up and start editing stuff that I have not edited because my Mac broke down. Gosh, thank God this time there is a backup. The guy in the Apple store managed to help me start it up, and even though one side of the ports on the right wasn't working, the ports on the left were working. So I could back up my stuff in the store, and so I didn't lose any data this time. So thank God, guys, please do your backup. And oh my gosh, in about an hour's time, I'm gonna watch my friend do her solemnization. So she's gonna sign papers for the wedding. And I'm so excited for her. Oh, today is happy. Even though 16-inch broke down, today is a happy day. Vlogmas is happy again. So yep, I'm gonna play with this and I'll see you guys later. And I can't wait to share with you guys my review and my thoughts of the M1 Mac. Probably gonna be positive because like I've seen a lot of review of the M1 Max, and to be able to have this in my hands, I'm super happy. I'm just super happy. Oh, see you guys later. Look how festive I am right now. Apple Watch red and green, and this is my new pair. Oh, it's so small and light. I can't believe it's in my arms, it's in my hands.